Now this 4-marker on ionic bonding looks complicated. There's so many lines here. Loads of people get thrown off. They'll think that you need to write a lot for this question, but I guarantee you don't. Let's read it. The question says, figure 2 shows what happens to the electrons in the outer shell when a sodium atom reacts with a fluorine atom. So that's when it forms sodium fluoride. We've got a dot and cross diagram here. So we've got what the atoms look like before, and then on the right hand side here, we've got what the final ions look like after the electrons have been transferred. And it says, describe as fully as you can what happens when sodium reacts with fluorine to produce sodium fluoride. So we basically need to explain the process of getting from the left hand side to the right hand side. What exactly happens? So you can see here, sodium has 1 electron in its outer shell, fluorine has 7. Remember what they're trying to do. They both want a full outer shell because that makes their structure stable. So in order for that to happen, the easiest way for sodium to get a full outer shell is to lose its outer electron because it's only got 1. So that would lose the electron here. What's the easiest way fluorine can get a full outer shell? It needs to gain an electron. Where can it get that electron from? It can get it from the sodium. So what happens is the sodium gives its electron to the fluorine. Now they both have a full outer shell. So that's why sodium here has no electrons on its outer shell here, because it's been given to the fluorine. Fluorine has an extra electron here because it's gained it from the sodium. We just need to write that in the form of points to get 4 marks. So quite simple. First thing you can say is sodium loses 1 electron. Then you can talk about chlorine. Chlorine gains 1 electron. Now we can say what the final product is. This forms a sodium ion and a fluoride ion. It's fluorine when it's an ion, we call it fluoride. And yeah, that's all you need to say to get 4 marks.